wabarakatuh, and a good day to all my beloved friend and especially our lecturer for code IMD261 database for business information professional. And today we are going to present our database. Topic that we cover is student attendance management system. Before we start, let me introduce myself and my team members first. First, my name is Muhammad Zulfikar bin Esfendi.
My name is Fadis Farhan bin Nassim Nizam.
My name is Alia Samini binti Muhammad.
My name is Nur Ania Smith Yusof.
My name is Sharifah Husna binti Syed Idrus.
And my name is Isha Sofia binti Muhammad Izanuddin.
Alright, after we already introduced ourselves, now let's we talk about the SAMs.
Boris? Boris?
Ya.
Oh, dia tak ni lagi Okay.
Loading.
Lama pula.
Oh,
Lama pula dah loading.
okay.
Nampak sangat kita cakap tadi tak ke? Kenapa
Hmm.
macam tu, ya Allah?
Right, about SAMs. The behind of the meaning about SAMs is a student attendance management system. Just we call it as a SAMs. SAMs is a web-based database system developed to replace a manual attendance recordings. Instead of we are using the paper attendance sheet or separate Excel files, and all information is stored in one centralized database. Therefore, the system also administrators and lecture to manage student lecture departments, courses, and attendance records to be more efficiently. And it also improve data accuracy and reduce the duplication and help to generate attendance reports for monitor student attendance. As you guys can see here, have a two picture, and the top one is the login for admin, and the below one is the login for students.
Lepas sikit.
Next, I'm going to talk about the problem statement for this database. First, attendance records are prone to loss or damage. The existing paper-based attendance system can be easily misplaced, damaged, or lost due to human error or poor document management, reducing the reliability of attendance records. Second, manual attendance is vulnerable to fraud and inaccuracy in recording. Students may falsify by signing for classmates who are absent and increase the risk of inaccurate or incomplete attendance data. Lastly, attendance processing is inefficient and time consuming. Manually calculating percentage requires significant time and effort for the lecturers, particularly for large classes, combination of classes, which delay the monitoring of students' attendance status.
Okay, so this is one of our interface in the system. We have two user. This system is created for students and lecturer. For students, the system is created for students to manage and access student information. Also created for lecturer to oversee the attendance filled in by the students. Through the student list page, student can view the list of their classmates and basic details such as names, email, addresses, phone numbers, and departments, and also enrollment dates.
Is the limitations and recommendation of our database. For the limitation, for database is instructors and students are unable to access the attendance system when they are not connected to network. Students' attendance information is kept on a single computer hard disk to support computer failure, cause record loss. Database system is slows down or freezes when students attempt to enter their attendance at the same time. students can cheat by asking their friends to log in their because the system depends on manual input. For the solution is database can be transferred from them to a secure online cloud hosting platform with many smartphones that with an internet connection. Next, upgrading the system to make the copies of the attendance records automatically each hour, and the copies will be kept in different secure online storage folder. The system can be updated to use smart self-management software that functions similarly, but have to get around the restriction. Adding to dynamic functionality to the system which only students who are physically present in the
Tengok Elias.
classroom to access.
Alamak. Alamak, sorry. Alamak.
Moving on to our entity relational diagram. Uh, so at its core, the system is built around five major entities, which we can look at the three distinct layers. First, we have the administrative layer consisting of the department and lecturer
Ada?
modules,
Ada.
which map out our workforce
Uh-uh.
and faculty
Kalau
allocation.
dekat lecturer
Second
punya.
is the student layer, which track our departments hosting their program. Finally, we have the operational core, which tie together courses and attendance. In each relationship, departments employ lecturers, students take programs within those departments, and students actively fill out attendance record to track their course engagement by mapping this flow. We eliminate the data data redundancy entirely, and this ensures that if we need to verify student eligibility, track faculty workflows, or review attendance metric for a specific course, all data is interconnected, accurate, and retrieval in real time.
Alright, now let we start our system demo. Let's we run our system student attendance database management system together.
Hmm. Kita punya combination lawa tu. Like very contra.
Masa Razia putih.
Ya dulu eh. Ada gambar tu.
Boleh?
Cantik buat TikTok.
Boleh tak?
Alright. Now I will demonstrate our student attendance management system or SAMS. This system is developed using PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and XAMPP. It helps manage student information, lecturers, departments, courses, and attendance record in one centralized database. First, this is the login page. Only registered users can access the system by entering their student ID and password. If the login details are correct, the user will be redirected to the dashboard. This is the admin login. First, I will show you the admin page. After login, entering the username and password, you will see this admin dashboard. As you can see, there's a statistic of students, active faculty, courses, and departments in the dashboard. Now we will go to the student. Over here, we can see the list of students that have registered. We can add student if we need to. Over here, we can also view, edit, and delete if needed. We can also search the name. Moving on to lecturers, we can add lecturer,
Aku cakap tadi pasal user lecturer bukan admin.
edit them,
Dia tak tahu.
and delete them also.
It's like kau dah okay.
After that, the departments.
Pun
This
ada
is
tu.
the department that we have in our institution. We can also add department if
Untuk
needed,
admin dengan student.
edit them and delete them also. Other than that is courses. This is the courses that information management course registered.
Akan tengok kat horizon.
We can also add new course if needed, edit them and also delete them. Lastly is the attendance. We can enter students with for admin. We can oversee the students attendance. We can see if they're present or not.
Nak kita ada orang.
We can enter the attendance.
Tak
We
tahu
can
aku
also,
rasa yang
if you
kat
don't want to add
sistem.
one by one, we can also benchmark.
Aku rasa yang kat
Like
sistem ni.
we uh, enter a bunch of students' name to so that it doesn't need to add
Untuk
one by
dulu.
one. You can also edit and delete them also. Now we will go on to the students page. Enter your student ID and password. As you can see, this is what the student can see if they log in using the student
The
page.
present, the present.
You can see the total class they have.
Oh, tu nampak.
They
Cantik.
have attend, they have present, the statistic and absent days. For as you can see, I'm logged in as student. You can see my profile here, the courses that I have registered, and I can also enter my attendance over here. I think that's all for the demonstration. Next.
Oh, kali ni dia tak cakap mulut ni eh.
Okay.
Alright, thank you for the system demo. Now let me give some conclusion for our SAMs. SAM is a centralized database system that helps college manage student attendance to be more efficiently, and also it replace from the manual attendance methods, and also improve data accuracy, reduce the paperwork, and allow administrators and lecturers to manage attendance record easily. So overall, SAMs provide a reliable and effective solution for improving attendance management and supporting better decision making in educational students. I think that's all from us. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.